Hello guys, this is Dr. Gnyanee. Can people see me live? Okay, so I am adjusting some tech issues. If you can see me live on LinkedIn and YouTube, please comment on the chat. Somehow it's not live. One sec. Oh, for people on Zoom, wait for a second. I think it's not live on YouTube. And can people see me live on LinkedIn? Is this connected correctly? If LinkedIn can see me live, why is not live on YouTube? Slow down. If you can see me live on YouTube, comment hi in the chat. That's weird. If you see me live on YouTube, comment hi in the chat. I don't think this one is correct. Hold on. Let me go to LinkedIn. If you can see me live, say hi. Correct. Okay, I see them live on LinkedIn. Something's weird on YouTube. So that's weird. People on Zoom, wait for a second. I don't think the streaming was correct this time. One sec. Maybe it's auto live. Oh, wasn't linked correctly. Interesting. Let me see if I can. Yeah, but anyway, so let's get started. We're already late. It is weird. Okay, cool. Let's go live anyway. So we have seen lots of people on LinkedIn. At least we're live on LinkedIn. This is great. We got something live on LinkedIn. I think the connections was incorrect. That's what I guess. Okay, cool. You can see me live. So let's continue with today's talk. Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Gnyanee. We also have people live with us on Zoom. All right. So here is what we are going to do today. And okay, we're going to do live resume review. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Thank you for bearing with me regarding the live event. That's quite interesting. The links is not working, but people can see me live right now. Okay, somehow you get it. Okay, great. So let's do this quick introduction. And this is Dr. Gnyanee, a director of product featured in Forbes. I've helped 100 people land their dream PM job offer in FAANG companies, a unicorn startup, and continue to become a product manager, product leader in these companies. And our highest paid students is getting paid $800,000 per year working for Meta L7. Very, very excited to see everyone out there, and also including VP of product in some unicorn startups, and also some of my students, and doing a kick-ass job out there. And today, when we go live, we are trying to do live resume review for people to get ready for the upcoming PM career. And let's talk about the agenda today. And anyone who want to do live resume review, here's what you do. Okay, so you submit your resume. We also have 4 people on Zoom with us. Feel free to email me a resume live right now. So let me show you guys what is email. You can go for live resume review. Hold on, let me bring up my slides. Okay, so here, let me share my screen. Here's how you submit your resume. Okay, so those are, here's the instructions. And first of all, let's celebrate. Okay, so lots of people saying that, hey, I don't have product management background, and actually lots of people become a PM even if they don't have product management background, such as our students Matthew. And we always love to tell 2 minutes inspiring story for all of our students, because I want you to feel like you can do the same thing. And lots of you guys just having some mental block and you're not working hard. To be frank, lots of people give up early. They didn't even try hard. They maybe apply for 10 jobs, whatever, 5, and talk to a few friends, and the friends said, oh, it's impossible to become product manager. And then your friends gave up and you give up just because other people give up as well. So lots of people give up early. So that's why I like to share with you any inspiring stories of our 100 students. Those are one of the examples out there. Okay, so Matthew, he's a designer and he doesn't have a college degree. He never went to college. He never had a bachelor degree at all. Yes, he worked for Microsoft for 11 years, but he's mainly working on a designer. Never went to college. He just spent lots of time working to gain his design experience. But recently he became a senior product manager at Trimble. So Trimble is like a 10,000 people company, and very excited for him to actually join a medium-sized company making great impact as a senior PM. All right, so here's what he did. First of all, we repackaged his entire resume because his resume is very designer resume that looks exactly just a designer. There's many different things when you change when people transition into PM. So that's why when we do live resume review today, we'll give you examples how you can change your resume as well. And then next part, when people get started with their PM career, so lots of time when Matthew was talking about his past experiences, all from the angle of designing something for customers, well, in reality, it's create a strategic product roadmap and features for the customers. So people start to learn what's the best way to repackage their stories and get into next level. Okay, so that's how Matthew transformed from a designer into a senior product manager. Okay, and I want all of you guys to use similar strategy like how he did it here. And also make sure to take a screenshot right now and go to our website, drgnyanee.com/50fan, to download all the interview questions and that 50 interview question database that you can use to get ready for your upcoming interviews. This interview questions can be for FAANG company, non-FAANG companies, because even chocolate company like Hershey start to ask product design, product case interviews as well. So everyone should just get ready, regardless you're aiming FAANG or non-FAANG companies. Okay, so now here's how to send your resume. Okay, so important information, here's how you send your resume. Right now, anybody who can see me live, right now you can see me live right now. Go here, email me at nancy@drnancylee.com with your resume, your email title. Everyone pay close attention, including people on Zoom right now. And if you do live resume review, do this right now, okay? The email title should be live resume review, and tell me when was the last time you registered for our masterclass. So what is masterclass? Is this one. Learn how to create killer product portfolio in 2 weeks that will land you PM job offer during recession, even if you get rejected again and again, and or if no confidence, no PM experience, or you were recently laid off. Okay, with or without experience, product portfolio is going to help you significantly grow your career. Okay, so this is what you need to do. All right, so now, why we prioritize webinar attendees, and when people attend the masterclass, we teach them how to build a product portfolio. We also want them to have their resume ready, so that as soon as they finish, the resume ready, portfolio ready, they can directly apply for jobs. Okay, we have already had hundreds of people already attending masterclass. So if you attend a masterclass, let me know so you get priorities. All right. So if not, you stay until the end. We'll try to use as much time as possible to go through everyone's resume today. Okay, but you must tell me when did you attend the masterclass in your email title. Email nancy@drnancylee.com. Okay, so now we also have people who's watching recordings, and you can if you're watching recordings later on, you can email at info@pmaccelerator.io, email my team. Okay, so and then she's going to send you the Zoom invitation for you to join me for my next Wednesday's live. Okay, so now when I'm live, email me. When I'm not live, email my team. Okay, 2 options, do that right away. Okay, So now let's do this. And here's what you do. Let me go to my inbox. Everyone can see my screen right now. So one sec. So sharing. Let me go to my inbox and put people up. Okay, cool. Oh, I haven't seen any. I think people sending emails right now. Cool. All right. So send me your resume live. Let me also put my email in the chat so you guys have it. Okay. Oh, huh. Some of you guys still couldn't find the link, the email. So let me share my link. My slides right now. Here's my email, Nancy@drnancy.com. Let me put it in the chat. Okay, you have it in the chat? Am I still live? On LinkedIn? You can see me live on LinkedIn. Let me know. I think something's weird. Hold on. Sorry, today we have some tech issues. Weird. Okay, so let me. Okay, so I am live on LinkedIn. LinkedIn flows somehow. Okay, so I put in my email, Nancy.NancyLee, in the chat. You guys can directly email me resume. Okay, let me also go to YouTube. It's kind of weird. We have some tech issues. Sorry about this. It happens. Okay, cool. I also see Richard on YouTube. So YouTube is live right now. And let me see, do we have everything we have? Yeah, I see Shy, your resume came in. Awesome. Shy, reply to your original email and let me know when was the last time you attended the masterclass, because we want to prioritize people who already attended masterclass. Okay, so what is masterclass? Come here. Now, once I show you, you know what I'm talking about. This one. Okay. I believe people on Zoom, you already attended masterclass. That's why you email my team. So the masterclass is this: how to create a killer product portfolio in 2 weeks, even if you're laid off or have 0 PM experience. Okay. So this one is for people who are ready to create product portfolio, but before they come in, we teach them how to have their resume ready. So that's why if you already attend the masterclass, I want you to tell me you did, or you already registered for the future masterclass. Either one is fine. Okay. So we're gonna make sure your resume is ready. So that's why there's a priorities, but we try to finish as much as possible. Okay, cool. I believe I am good to go right here. Let me see who else is here. Cool. Aryo and hello, how are you? And Homa, and also Gnyanee, I saw your comment. Awesome, awesome. Thank you for confirming with me. You can see me live. Awesome. So great. So let's do this. All right. So let's go through people on Zoom first, and when people responding to me. Right now, Shy, if you haven't attended or if you haven't registered for the future ones, I will keep you towards the end, okay? Because people who already attended on Zoom with me right now. Okay, so let me do this. On Zoom, we have how to pronounce your name? NGOC? Is Nag? Did I say your name correct? Hello? I see neck, her camera is off. Okay, cool. We also have Hong. How are you? You're on my live Zoom right now? I believe my team sent you the Zoom link. Okay, do you want to do a live resume review? You're typing something. And same thing as Usman. If you're ready, feel free to unmute yourself for people on Zoom. Okay. Cool. And feel free to directly send me your resume. Okay. Cool. At the same time, let's do this. I think people are sharing something. Cool. So let me do this. Let me directly review this resume. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Yes, you can. Okay, so Shai sent me his resume. And let me review the Shai senior product manager. Data experience, great passion. Let me see how many pages you have. There's 3 pages. First of all, you can totally fit it in 2. You don't need 3 pages. Something is like this margin, everything too broad. Okay, so let's see how to improve your resume. Already senior PM in Canada. This is great. Revolutionize the platform's search capability. Huh. You are missing many PM keywords. I don't think your resume will be selected through the systems or by recruiters because missing many keywords. I'll show you later on. Let me read the second paragraph. Okay, so the biggest problem for this resume is we don't know what product you were building. What is it, your product? For example, revolutionize the platform search capabilities. Are you saying that you build a search product? Patient feedback. Are you saying that you launched patient feedback system? Is this your product? Are you also saying that you launched another AI-driven moderation systems? Are those your product? Okay, so the main problem of this resume is it wasn't very obvious regarding what exactly is the product you have launched. If you launch something, say that launched ABCD product, spearheaded something, implementing something means what? Are you a consultant implementing something? McKinsey consultant implement something as well, but McKinsey, they have layoffs right now. BCG will lay off 30% of the employees, as we know. Public news. It's crazy. McKinsey freeze hiring as well. What do you mean by implementing? Okay, we don't like consultant because consultants are not product managers, right? So this sounds like consultant. We don't even know what did you do. The problem it sounds like consulting resume is completely incorrect. We don't know, are you doing implementation as a consultant or project manager or as an engineer, or you literally launched a product? If you launch it, you say launch ABCD product, and then which product is also not very obvious. Are you saying you launched 3 products? If you launch 3 products, saying launch 3 products, including platform search, whatever patient's feedback, whatever AI moderation systems, if you want to say it that way. Okay. This most important thing is very confusing. Doesn't sound like a PM, senior PM resume, and now you call yourself senior PM, which is also very awkward. I don't see this as a senior PM at all. Okay, so now, second thing is the roles responsibilities of senior PM is also missing. As a senior PM, we don't do this. Spearhead introduction of this one. Again, what this? Is a McKinsey consultant? No, they're having huge layoffs right now. Okay, so what product manager would be doing, let's say use this one as an example. How would you write your resume as a product manager is the following. which is say the launched, if it's spearheaded, again, I don't even understand spearheaded mean in the product management world. We don't use this word at all. Okay, so if I'm a product manager, I will say the following: launched a patient feedback systems empowered by clouds or empowered by AI, or describe what the system is. So it's like automated patient feedback system. You can describe that way. Describe your product, or AI driven patient feedback systems. You can describe that way. Okay. And then how you launch this product, you can talk about, for example, by leading a team of 20 engineers and conducted the voice of customer interviews of like 200 patients in the clinical network to understand the needs, desire, and pain point, so that you're able to translate it into engineering facing requirements and user stories. I will also write a separate bullet point saying the following: created the ABCD product roadmap and prioritize product features, You're missing all of this. It sounds like a fake PM title, but working as a consultant, the whole thing. Okay, think about this. Anyone McKinsey consultant can just do what you did, and then they change consultant to senior PM. Oh, McKinsey consultant become product manager. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, you literally need to do what the PM is doing or reflect what you are doing as a product manager. Okay, having a title, not doing the right thing is wrong, and your resume will never be picked by recruiters and will never be picked by the online systems either. If you want to talk about the impact, that's great. You can put it into achievement session, but just whatever you did doesn't sound like a PM. So that's a main problem on your resume. Okay, so now let me show you some free resources and you complete rewrite your resume. Come here to my to your channel. Okay, so on my channel, you come to here. I have a resume playlist. Okay, most important thing is you wrote it very incorrectly. Pause here. Go back here. Pause here. For example, the way to write it better is in this resume, I give you a specific example how would you write it. For example, interview customers, study market trends to understand the needs, and convert them into actionable engineering facing user stories and prioritize user stories and requirements, right? So this is what product manager is doing. It's not what a consultant is doing. It's like something very broad. What you put on your resume is very, very broad, which we don't understand why you said your resume that way. I guarantee you your resume will not be selected for any interview. Okay, so now go back and change your resume, Shai. Okay, cool. Let me see. Sri. Cool, Sri, I got your resume as well. Let me stop sharing this one. Am I, what screen I'm sharing? Okay, cool, I'm sharing you this. Okay, Sri, I got your resume 7 minutes ago, and who's someone, Canoe? I got your resume as well. So both of you guys make sure to email me back. Let me know when did you register for our masterclass. If you register for the future ones, let me know the date. If you register from the past, the old ones, let me know as well, because we want to prioritize people who already registered for the masterclass, because our goal is finish all the resume review so that they are ready to apply for the jobs. Okay. Now, let me do this. Let me share this link to LinkedIn and YouTube so you guys can follow and know what to do. Okay, just put it there. Okay, let me go to YouTube. Okay, great, cool. Now let me pull up the next resume. So then people on Zoom, if you have any questions, feel free to unmute yourself or put your questions in the chat. Same thing as everyone else who is watching us live on YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay, so let me do this. Cool. Let me share my screen for the next resume. Okay, we have our resume ready. Okay, Sri's resume. You said you're already a PM for 2 years. Let me see. Many product roadmap, the features, the collaboration, and A/B testing, and launch of new product connect when using engagement, latest, system, collaboration engineers, this is good. Junior manager, collaborator. Collaborative cross-line team, and then and software entrepreneur training. What's this? Okay. Cool. This is a much better resume. Okay, so I think this is good. This resume in general is good. The reason I like this resume is that they have impact, also has the real roles responsibilities. That's what the real PM needs to do. Okay, product roadmap, features, different things. That's what PM is doing. As I said, compared with prior resume, someone has a senior PM title, but does everything has nothing to do with PM, or at least what you presented has nothing to do with PM. So that one is like weird resume. Okay. So this one's way better. And the only thing missing is this no strategy component. For example, Joe product roadmap, like manage product roadmap, all the strategy component is missing as a product manager. Okay, and also create go-to-market strategy or create product visions, right? All the product strategy or the strategy side is missing, but the rest is good. Okay, the rest is good. Good job. Good job. Who is this person? Shri. Good job. Clearly, I believe you must watch my YouTube channel. That's why you have most of the keywords I was looking for. So what is the keywords? Everyone come here. Let me show you the keywords you need to put on your resume. Wrong. Let me show you the PM keywords right here. PM keywords in this video. Okay, must have product manager keywords landing to PM interviews. Okay, those are in this video. I gave you like 15 PM keywords and tell you different kind of keywords such as this, tell you different kind of keywords you should put on your resume so you write it better and it's going to increase success rate significantly when you're selected for any upcoming interview. Okay, so I believe Shri must watch this video. That's why she had lots of PM keywords there, but she's missing the leadership keywords, which is something you can catch up soon. Okay. Cool. Okay, great. So let me pull up the next resume. Let me go. Oh, people ask me the email. Where should they send me the resume? Right here. Come here. email me a resume at nancy@drnancylea.com live. Okay, directly email this to me. And when I'm not live, email my team at info@pmsrf.io. Either one is fine, but right now, email me directly because I put my live email as we're speaking. Okay, this is critical. Then you're good to go. Email me, and also let me know when was the last time you attended a masterclass. What is a masterclass? Go to drnancylea.com and /masterclass, or you just go to the homepage. Either one is fine. Right here, and go to the homepage. You directly come here. Okay, the very first big button is here. Right here. Okay, so once we have this ready, and so because in the masterclass, we teach you how to build a product portfolio, how to create product portfolio in 2 weeks, even if you have been laid off or have 0 PM experience. Okay, and we want you to have your resume ready, and so that you can build your product portfolio after masterclass, and then immediately go out for job interviews. Okay, so that's why you get prioritized. And so email me and let me know when was the last time you attended masterclass, or when was the one you already recently registered. Either one is fine. Okay, so now let me bring up the next resume in my inbox. One sec. Too many tabs open. Oh, Kevin, I got your email, and let me know when did you attend the masterclass, or when the future masterclass you just registered. Okay, I got your email. As I said, we prioritize people. And people who already registered for the masterclass. Okay, Sirri, I got your email as well. Cool. Now let me pull up this person's resume quickly. Gnyanee, how to pronounce your name? Let me do this. Let me share my screen. How to pronounce your name? Gnyanee? I don't know. So currently a student. Senior product manager, intern, good for you. Why everybody likes to say spearheaded something? We hate product manager, hate consultant style of resume. Spearheaded something means what? Did you launch a product? Did you lead the product? Are you the product owner? Are you the product manager? Spearheaded means nothing. Or did you implement something? Okay, so what do you mean by spearheaded? Spearheaded, did you build it? Did you develop it? Like, what do you mean spearheaded? Like, get to the point. Spearhead development. Are you saying that you developed the feature instead of you serving as a product manager to launch the feature, right? Very weird. Do not say spearheaded at all moving forward. When we see these keywords, immediately you get disqualified. It's like, what the heck is this guy doing? Okay, 5-year roadmap for App Store, research market opportunities, conduct voice customer interview. App Store. Amazon, how I'm doing App Store? What do you mean? Roadmap for App Store search. Amazon App Store search. Okay. Cool. All right. So basically, the Udemy roadmap, I will talk more regarding engagement with users, conduct user interview. Maybe you can say how many users have you talked to for your user interview. Conduct user interviews with 100 users, 200 users, whatever you want to talk about. Okay. Senior software engineer. Yeah, that's what I guess, to be frank. You were a software engineer the whole time in the past of a history, and then you spearheaded something, spearhead development of something. Well, it's likely you might be hired by Amazon as a software engineer. Then you develop it, and then you say you spearheaded something, which make people confused. What exactly did you do? Are you a PM? I don't know. So that's why when the recruiters, whoever read this, is like, maybe he is a software engineer. He put a PM title. Lots of people just put the fake PM title, okay? That just, we can tell, okay, easily. We can tell during the resume review. We can also tell during the first round interview right away. Okay, you can put whatever fake titles. You're liable for whatever you put, but you don't present yourself the right way. It's very weird. Cool. Okay, so now, yeah, just add more numbers regarding how many customers do you interviewed, and you said you define the value proposition. Did you work with other people define the value proposition? And so this need to be enriched a little bit more. Okay, cool. And then next thing in the beginning, and looks like you did Amazon App Store as a product. This is cool. All right, and also tell us the size of team. In collaboration with product marketing, how many people you collaborate with, you can add it here as well. Nice. Cool. Let me go to next one. Cool. Mohammed, I got your resume as well. As I said, you need to tell me when was the last time you attended Masterclass, or if you had registered for the future Masterclass. Cool. Let me see. Last Monday, Kevin, you attended last Monday. Okay, great. So you get priorities. Let me do this. Let me share you my screen. Let me see, what do we get right now? Kevin, manager on my own of Michigan. So this is the company name. Very cool. Let's launch. What is LMS? You should be specific. What is LMS platform? Well, there's several industry terms. For example, CRM, different things, cloud, AI, people know it. LMS, if it's not very broad, widely known in different industries, you need to spell out, okay? Create a product vision, and market with subscription business model. Defining requirement. High clickable protocol, 3 rounds feasibility testing and transforming version, very cool. You're a product manager, so you're a new product manager. Okay, so Kevin, here's what you do. Okay, for your resume, you must tell us what kind of product it is, because when you join the new company, they really want to understand how much of your past product experience is relevant to the new product. Let's say you join Google Cloud team will be like, does this guy even know cloud? They're literally trying to understand, is this platform on cloud or what? Whatever, you know, cloud, right? So there'll be some keywords regarding cloud. If you join AI company, they want to see something. Oh, is this platform built on AI? We don't know. Okay, you should rewrite this. Just let us know what kind of platform. Maybe it's payment. I don't even know. Whatever LMS platform. What does this mean? Okay, change it completely. Very important. And another thing I recommend you to do is you should separate. I prefer people separate roles, responsibilities, and those kind of achievement directly, because you streamline development team by 30%. And then, are you really doing this? Writing requirement can streamline development time by 30%. I think the relationship is kind of weird. Okay, so I would rather you talk about what exactly you did as a product manager, writing requirement, different things, and as achievement, you streamline development process. with your team of 30 engineers. I want you to separate this, your achievement and roles responsibilities, and make sure to add some strategy words as well, such as create product vision, create product go-to-market strategy, and those strategy words are missing as well. Okay, and let me see, project lead. Your experience very short for each one. That's interesting. When did you graduate? Is this an internship, something? You didn't put years here. Everything's very short. Sounds like just an internship. Okay, it's kind of confusing. But anyway, people will ask you why everything is so short regarding your past experience. If a recent graduate, that's no problem. That would people know why it's so short. Right now, you didn't put a year, so we don't know. It's very confusing why it's so short. So that people need to understand, people do not like people who only work for a company for a year and join another company for another year and join another company for another year. We usually don't like those candidates, so I think you should be more clear and transparent regarding what's going on with your very short experience. Okay, so that's the main problem. Now let me go to the next one. Cool. And Piraj, and cool. Let me know when was the last time you attended a masterclass, or when was the new one you have registered. Let me know as well. So let me go through whoever already responded. So we have priorities. Mohammed, register for tomorrow's masterclass. Okay, so let's make sure you have your resume is ready before you go in. Not-for-profit university, LUM, very cool. So you're getting a bachelor's degree. Good for you. You already got a bachelor's degree, and then recently you are product manager at this company. Work with product services user interviews. Significantly improves NPS and the problem with this resume is, I know you work for startup, that's why you report CEO. Okay. If you work for startup, it's likely you're going to do many different things. Okay. But you're applying for PM jobs. So therefore, when you apply for PM jobs, let's talk about 80% things regarding product. Like this is all product. Right. And then there's something that's not very product driven. I will reduce the ones that's not product driven, because your experience is very messy. You have many different stuff on your resume that we know is not PM focused. That we also know in the startup, you do many different random stuff that we need to understand how much of your time is actually related to product management. So I'd rather you only talk about things related to product. Okay, so you can talk about, design, product vision, different things. This is good regarding product. User A/B testing is good, and something down below, if it's not, has not much to do, has very little to do with product, I would delete this. It's a distraction for everyone to read something, knowing that you're doing many different things in a startup. So that's the main problem. Okay. Another thing is, I would move the education down below. Unless you're fresh graduate, you already graduated over a year ago, 2 years ago. Yeah, 2023. You graduated 2 years ago. Why you put your school so up front? I will move it all the way towards the bottom. Okay, and then remove lots of things that's not PM focused. That's the key. Okay, and now let me come here. There is somebody who emailed me without even a name in the email. so sketchy. So I'm not going to review this one. This guy has no name. My resume, his email title is my resume, no name, nothing. I'm not going to open it. Might be virus. Okay, so now, let me go to this one. Piyash. Let me review resume quickly. Piyash, you're graduating a year and a half. No, 1 year. You're graduating 1 year from now. And do you have an internship ready? Let me see. Work experience, teaching manager. It's all school thing, oh? What do you do this summer? Technology. So basically you're teaching at school, okay? And you did something back in India. Ooh, you are in a big trouble. Okay. Frank advice, Piyash, your last summer internship is not really doing anything. You should have done something PM related, even do volunteer work, even unpaid job is better than what you have right now. Okay, do a teaching job at school. It's not something schools or employers really appreciate. Okay, so you wasted last summer, but I know Northeastern University very well because I went to BU next door. Northeastern had a co-op program. They let you to work in the middle of school, so you should at least find some kind of volunteer work, anything you can find. Okay, to really enrich your experience. And this thing, it just in general is not very, very impressive what you did. Product development manager, this is fine. Influence, and you did something. And other people doing spearhead is something. Again, it's like, who just like to copy this random words? As a consultant, McKinsey consultant did that. Yes, McKinsey, BCG lay off 30% of employees. Why you follow them? They're all getting laid off. All right, so don't follow people who are laid off. Okay, follow the right ways, how people land a job. Okay, ignore how you write your resume. Okay, so those are good. Those technical keywords are good. As product development manager, I want to talk more regarding agile methodology. If you use agile methodology as a product development manager, you should talk more regarding agile. The problem is this, what you did in school, just like whatever you did in school is not very impressive. You need to find even volunteer opportunities to really catch up with your experience. That's the main thing. Okay, you still have 1 year to graduate. That's just like you put something that's not impressive on your resume. I'd rather you do some projects better than what you did in school, so like doing a teaching job. Okay, so that's what's going on. Cool. Now I think I review all the resumes. I think I review. Cool. And whoever emailed me and the email, oh my goodness, sounds so. Okay, whoever emailed me is using Elon Musk picture in the email and didn't follow the email template. I asked people to email me, which in terms of resume review, and also tell me when was the last time you attended Masterclass, whatever you didn't really write it in the right way. The way you put it, also put Elon Musk pictures in your email. Well, I don't open this. Okay, sorry guys. This sounds a spam or virus. Okay, and the top secret. The email name is top secret. Okay, spam, please don't email me, or at least I won't open it. Okay, so I believe I review all the resumes. I did. I review all the resumes, whoever submitted. Awesome. And congratulations, whoever is getting ready for your upcoming interview. Get your resume ready. Okay, so let's do this. Let me share with you the must-watch resources and we can close for today's live training. And where is the free training? Here. Everybody make sure to watch this video and the whole playlist. for resume. Once you watch those 4 resumes, you will know 4 videos, then you know exactly what to do to write your resume. Okay, for these 4, you watch those, you will be resume ready. Okay, and then make sure to download the resume template. PM resume, you can directly in the description of the video, you can directly download the resume template right here, and put in your information will send to your inbox, and then you can directly go out to land your next dream PM job offer. Another quick reminder is that you guys must know that the recruiting season actually immediately coming in January. So you have 1 month to get ready. So please study anything you have missed. So get ready for the primary recruiting season coming up in 1 month from now on, and using December to rush out everything and learn everything about product management. Okay. So, another quick reminder, anybody just try to fake it. I don't want people to fake it because we're getting fired. Okay. You need to learn it until you make it. Learn anything regarding product management. And really build a product portfolio, which I recommend everyone to do. That's the best way to really do it. Okay, you need to do it before you make it, not fake it until you make it. Okay, fake it until you make it, get people fired. All right, I hate the terms. Whoever invented fake it until you make it, I don't know. They might get fired, and I'll tell you. Fake it until you get fired. Go ahead. Okay, so everyone needs to do it and learn it. And also the best way to do it is build a product portfolio. That's why I go to Masterclass. You learn how to build a product portfolio, and get ready. And people who ever missed us, go to tell my team you can join me next week, because this is Masterclass. Go to drnancely.com, okay, my website, and then you directly come to this link. Okay, drnancely.com, this link, and you will get everything you need. And also you can email my team when I'm not live. Email your team at info@pmaccelerator.io, which has all the information you need. She can invite you to my next live to review your resume. Okay, great, cool. All right, I'm gonna see you guys next week, and best of luck for everyone who's having your next interview. Okay, great, cool. Talk soon. Bye. Oh, make sure to hit the like button if you find this video and the free training valuable. Make sure to like and share this and comment. Okay, let me know. All right.